The time is 19:45, 2 days before this video is supposed to be coming out, and 1 day before the patrons get early access. And I've done nothing this week. I've had a bit of a problem in the house with the boiler and with the shower and all that sort of stuff, so I've just not done any car stuff. So in an attempt to make sure you get something this week, I am going to try and do a bit of work, edit and release this video all in a day, which I normally don't have time for, but I'm going to give it a go. To help me out, I'm going to do a simple job, something that I've already started, something that we already started on a live stream that I will link there if you want to go and watch 3 hours of me talking to people online and basically measuring out some bonnet vents. News, by the way, the windscreen's out, as is the back windows. So now, apart from the side windows, we're glassless. But yeah, we're going to put some Escort Series 2 bonnet vents in there. I've put some carpet underneath the bonnet so I don't ruin the engine, and yeah, I'm just going to cut these out with a grinder, or whatever the best way I think is to do it, and we're going to weld a piece of metal around there, and around there, and then hopefully the Series 2 vents will just slot straight in, and then that's another job down, ready for the painter. So I'm just going to set you up somewhere about here, and you get to watch me cut out holes in my bonnet. Well, I failed. It's now like 10:30. This has taken much longer than I thought it would. So I'm probably going to delay this episode for a week, so you'll be getting it a week Monday now. Or a week Sunday if you're an OG legend and a patron supporter. Looking at you. Anyway, might as well show you progress so far. So it all fits, well, you know, I haven't done that side, but this side fits in. I've got a hole, I've got I think it's like a 25mm brace, I guess, and that fits in there. It does fit in quite snugly, to be fair. I think that's in. And yeah, I quite like the look of it. I think they're in the right spot. Taking a quick look underneath. Quick look underneath. I need to clean up under here, but it's all welded on that seam. We're going to weld all the way down this strengthening piece as well, both sides, so we tie it all in together, and then hopefully the bonnet doesn't lose any of its additional strength that it gained from those bits. And what I'm going to have to do is cut them here-ish and bend them in so we can screw. We can actually screw these to the car. So that's why it's taken longer than I thought. But at least I got a hole in the bonnet now. Just got to weld it all back up. All that work, and I didn't like it in the end. I like the vents, but the way I done it was all wrong. I should have done it a different way. Thankfully for you, I've got a spare car outside, and in the 2 weeks that it took me to start filming this and finish this, I've actually done the right thing, I think, to the other bonnet which was on the spare car outside. And now I have a set of grills in the bonnet. So let's take a closer look, is it? You can see the bonnet is slightly warped. Watch the lights. Well, you can't really see the lights unless I go here, maybe? There we go. So you can kind of see the bonnet is slightly warped as I got it a little bit hot. Like that corner right there. And I think it's the same this corner. Yeah, right about that corner. Same the other side. But it's much better than the other one was. The other one, all around here, was warped because there's no support behind it. And I got it too hot. but these ones look okay. So, yeah, that's the finished article. I quite like them. They look good. They're in the right place. If we look down, it's all dark under there, so you can't see. But basically, they both sit above each turbo, so it should help with at least drawing cooler air in through the engine bay. Because the way these work is, as air rushes over them, it pulls the hot air out of the engine bay. So anything to help, because I'm not convinced the radiator that I've got and the fans that I've got and the space that I've got is going to be any good. So I might as well show you underneath. Let's open the bonnet. So here's the underneath. Oh, seems like I got bits of metal in the in the supports. So we've got the supports for the top, well, the top and the bottom on both sides. I'm gonna have to make some sort of drainage rail for each side, and then just give it a lick of paint under here. I am missing a screw this side, but should be okay. They come out right, I think. I'm happy enough with them. Probably when I get the drainage thing sorted, I'll probably get some pipes coming off the corner here up to the front where the water can drain off down, I don't know, one side or other. It's not going to be that much water anyway, because they're only small vents, but I guess we'll find out. Anyway, I think I'm done for today. So much for my my attempted quick episode. It took me about 3 weeks altogether. And I know this is going out late anyway, but it is what it is. At least I got it done now. That's another thing ticked off the list. Ping! So we're another step closer to paint. I have actually got a date for paint now, or I've got a good idea for what for when the car is going for paint. So that's good news. I've got a date to work to. Much better. So hopefully we can get the list done and get it for paint, and then I can relax a bit. So yeah, that's it for today. Please give this video a like and share this video with your mates. It really does help. The videos haven't been doing that great lately. I don't know why. So if you guys can help out, that would be muchos appreciated. And if you really want to help the channel out, please think about joining the Patreon. You get these videos early. You get a bunch of other perks as well. No obligation, but if you want to join in and get some behind the scenes stuff, there's a link in the description. And of course, I've still got the social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. If you want to go and give them a like and a follow, or whatever you're going to do, and we can, and you get to see a little bit of behind the scenes footage there as well. And you get to see a little bit of what I'm doing outside of YouTubing. So yeah, if you want to, please go and do all those things. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. It all helps. It's greatly appreciated. And until next time, ciao. You get to watch me cut the bumper out. You get to watch me cut the bumper. Oh my God.